Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, my Nigerians. Hello, my friends and my family. Good afternoon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, I come here, come do this short video. I will make it short, and I pray make it short as I plan am. I wan come show now my baby food. So I wan just review my baby food to una. How the food wey be say I dey buy. I no get any particular food wey be say I dey buy for am. Any supermarket wey be say I just supermarket wey be say near me pass na Aerospin. So for Aerospin they get better things for children too, and the cost na almost the same thing with other supermarkets. So na the one wey near me pass na for the buy. I no dey find the one wey no cost because all baby food dey be the same thing. So dem dey cost for all store, even for pharmacy dem dey cost. So everything na just the same price. So you no fit talk say because Aerospin near me I can't go Conad or I can't go Cope. So all the baby food dem get standard price, the same price that dem get. So if for Aerospin na €2, €2, just know say if you go Conad or you go any store at all, any supermarket at all, na start the same amount na e go still be. So for now I just the one wey be say remain for house because I never go buy new ones. So I wan show una the food wey be say e dey with me now. So I wan show una the food wey be say I dey give my baby. So me I be first time mom now be. So this my daughter na my first pikin wey be say I dey get, especially for here. So from 5 months na start to dey give her food. From 5 months, but she no dey carry food. I go dey try dey give am dey but she no dey carry. So inside last month, that was early April, I come decide to go my aunty side. I come go my aunty house. My aunty get children, my aunty get pikin for here. So because she don still born for Europe, no be our fault. We say we never born for Europe before. We no know how they train pikin for Europe. So we no get account wey we go dey put for their mouth every day or pap, all those things. So we need to buy the one wey we say e dey for the Italy side, because now we dey talk say if you are in Rome, you behave like the Romans. So as you dey here, so you behave like them. So you see they give them the food wey say they give their children, especially the early stage. So they never reach that to they give the better ema, better beans, rice. They never reach. So for Nigeria now we dey give them pap. I remember that time my junior ones, as our mama they trained them. So for here it not be like that. So we not get all those things when we say for Nigeria we dey get. So doctor go for here now they will write you the thing wey say you could dey give your baby. So if you be more than maybe say sabi cook different type of food, you fit still dey do am. Person like me now, African food like that, I no feel like when I no sabi cook am like that. Na just few things I sabi cook. Talk less of children things, I no even sabi at all. So I can't go where my aunty dey now. As I can't go there, thank God say I even go say, but I wish I not go. Maybe my baby for don lean reach like this because I so breast e dey suck. You know they carry milk, you know they carry artificial milk, just only my breast. So as e complete, e dey go 5 months. As e complete 5 months, after they give am food, doctor give me a list of food say I go dey buy for her, but she no dey carry for my hand. I can't go where my aunty dey. As I can't reach there, my aunty just carry the pikin, just do like this. Oh, why fege wey no yata. He say as e slim, she no dey eat. I come say na only breast she dey suck. I go dey force dey give am food, she no dey carry food. So tell for one get for all of them come, I come throw away many. So but now so my aunty go supermarket, go shatter different type of food, shatter the cars. In the evening of it, just make am. E get to stay make am. So for my next video, I will post the way wey be say I take dey make her food. I will say she dey collect am for my hand, wey she dey the way wey my aunty teach me, and the way say I continue to dey use for her now. Wey be say she dey collect am for me. So for my next video, I will post am for you so that men I still see am. Anybody wey get new idea, na fit still dey give me because I still new into this motherhood. So my aunty come make am. As e make am, this baby carry man, e say e chop, e finish the full plate of food. E finish everything as my aunty take make am. So from there every day, na so we come take dey do am, na so we come dey do am. So for my next video, I go post the way we say I take dey make her food for now, wey she dey the pap wey we say I dey give am. So for everything, this one na the pap. Then they call am for here. I no know that one na dey see am. Then they call am for here crema di riso. This one na crema di semolino. So now one na we say today, exactly today that she complete 7 months. So this one na from 6 months. Now they give am to them. Before they give am crema di riso, that is rice cream, maize cream. garri cream, because garri na dey call tapioca for here, so for our language na garri cream. So those three things, this crema de rizo, crema de tapioca, and crema de maize, which is garri cream, maize that is corn cream, and rice cream. Those one dey dey together before, but that one I no dey give again because she no too much come like am again. So for now I come dey buy this one for her, the one wey dey write crema di semolino, and this one wey dey crema di cereal na go be for English. I no know whether na cereal. Now you go write this one as semolina, this one na semolina, this one, all those ones. So this prima pap, so na Aerospin product na be this one. So na Aerospin product, but sometimes like the one wey say finish na this thing na Melin product. So depend on the supermarket wey be say I for jam myself. So far they write the same thing put, and she dey carry she dey eat as I take dey make am for her. So now this one be the pap wey be say I dey make for my baby. This one na the pap wey be say I dey make for my baby, and I be this one na the two type wey be say I dey make. One na semolino, one na cereale na be those ones. So the thing wey be say if I dey make her, you need to mix am with different type of cream. Those one na dey not too dear. For Aerospin I be like say na €1.69 for one, and for as this two be na dey last us go maybe, because this one na you go make am many times for her. I no fit count how many times I dey make am for her, many times for her. Normally if I dey do am half and half. And another thing still dey wey this one, so all those small children pasta, this one na Melin product. As I tell una before, anywhere for this supermarket I go for jam myself now for the buy things. For this Melin product now, this stelline na small pasta, small children pasta. Like this one, but I still get her for the same marker of this one, which I buy for Aerospin. So anywhere for jam myself now for the buy am. This one I still pasta, small children pasta. So for all those food now, if I make am, I dey always dey mix am with different type of meat. Those one na children meat. This one na vitello, the one wey dey call vitello. Goat meat, sheep meat, and cow meat. Goat meat, sheep meat, and cow meat. This one na vitello, while this one na manzo, na still cow meat na it still be. Then I dey mix am maybe in the morning. This one na prosciutto na pig meat na this one be pig meat. So this one na fish, so with this one another type of fish with another type of name. Each time you get different type of, they name them many things. Say we for Nigeria na fish with the call of, then I be na fish with the call. This one na chicken, then they call am polo. This one na chicken. All of them are just children thing. So after all, I go come still mix am with, after I don put those things for inside the pap. After I don put all those things for inside the pap, I come still put some vegetables. This one na different type of vegetables. Those one na vegetables wey be say I take dey mix the food. All of them are vegetables. You know, see this one na see plasma marker. So I know they look the marker when you say I dey buy. Anyway, I for see myself I go buy for them because the price na the same thing. So what is the need to buy am for where you for see am? No need. So na be I still dey pull chips. All those from the one wey they call formaggio chips. I still dey mix am for am. Later I come still put oil, extra virgin oil, very important. You still put am for am. So now that one be the food wey say this food now she dey eat am for in the lunch, as you come still eat am for dinner in the evening. So in the middle between breakfast wetin she dey take for breakfast, if you get where we dey go, I go give her all those fruta, the one wey they call merenda, the different things wey be say for children. For now we get this type of the one wey they call merenda. This one I still buy am for Aerospin. Now I for buy this one because na different things na it dey inside this one. This one wey I dey see so na different things na it dey inside. wetin dey inside this one na apple, banana and biscuits. Na it dey inside this one. Sometimes maybe we go where we dey go, we no quick come back in the morning, I will give am this one so that make for reach before 12 before we come house. So I'll give am this one because breast no dey belle full eye again, so I no fit just say breast in 12 o'clock. If we get where we dey go, I'll give am this one. If we no get where we dey go, not I just give am breast in 12 o'clock, because if not e go disgrace me for outside. So if you no get where we dey go, I no give her anything. So this one, so I dey always dey give am all the time in the afternoon, in around that kind 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Na take dey give am this one. Either I give am this one or another type still dey, or I'll give am this type. So this one I see another type of their food. This one na so e be for inside. So na 4 dey inside, e no dey there. This one na apple, pear and yogurt. Na it dey start this one. E dey good. She dey like am well well because I try many things for her just to make sure say she dey test different type of thing. So the one wey she no like, I no buy am again. The one wey she like, I continue to dey buy am. Like all this one wey say I just carry, na she dey like them well well. Na it be this one na different things. Na it dey inside this one. Na 4 dey inside. 4. So also in the afternoon, if I don't give her one of, I dey give her one of all those ones because she dey eat only one. While this one are just only different type of fruit. Na it be this one. They call am fruta mixta, and a different type of fruit dey inside. Different type of fruit: banana, pear, orange, apple. This one are just different type of fruit. They just mix am together. This one they give her right from when she dey 4 months and half. Now they give her this one, but the rest, all those ones, so I start when she complete 6 months. Now I start all those ones because those ones now from 6 months that they give children. So I start those ones when she completes 6 months. Now I start all those ones. So I can still buy this one. This one na just na biscuit, na pap biscuit. Na be this one. So for this biscuit, so after they make her for her, I buy am more, but she no. I just say I just try her for because as I said earlier, I dey try everything for her just to make sure say she dey test different type of thing. So I dey try everything for her. This one now I just buy am. I no remember how much I take buy am again. I no feel like now. I just buy am. They call her papa latte biscotti. I don't remember how much I take buy, maybe 3 euro, 4 euro. I don't remember again how much I take buy am. I just this one as I take the make am very very easy. You go put water either for filling bottle or for plate. My pikin no dey carry filling bottle, so na for plate I for dey make am for her. Just put water, come hot as in warm water. Then come put am, put the turn out thing go mix. Na just see better pap too, but she not more dey eat her like that. So I still dey try, continue to dey try. This all those ones so I dey show una since. Those ones, so if I get where I dey go, I go give her in the morning. If we know in the morning that kind of night, because maybe we get appointment, I'll just give her, make she for not disgrace me for outside. But if we don't get where we dey go at all, I always dey give her in the afternoon from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Now they give her. Why should they take her lunch? Her lunch na 12 o'clock. Why her dinner? Now we say they not dey quit the dark again for dinner. Before now that kind 6 o'clock, now they give her dinner. But now because she dey quit dey sleep before 9 o'clock in the evening, she don sleep. So now for dinner now na 7:30. Now she take dey eat dinner. So that's it. So for my next video, I will show now how I take dey make her food. How I take dey make her food. So I will post it there. So make sure so now I watch the video. So now be that. Now so I take dey I don't dey give my baby. So my people, thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to share with your friends and your family, and please all my viewers, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching my video. Don't just forget to subscribe, but also press the notification button so that anytime when we say I dey put new video, you go dey see am. Like the video my next video now how I take dey make my baby food. So make sure you press the notification button so that anytime I upload new video, you go dey see am, and share my video to your friends and your family. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks for loving me, for watching my video. Thank you very much. God bless you all.